In previous 4 videos, we are discussing about the simple algebraic formulas. Along with that, in this fifth video, bridge course, we are discussing about some more formulas. I am telling about the first one is arithmetic progression. That's a very useful formula. Getting the formula, say progression. So we call it as AP. What is meant by AP? This one is T1, T2, T3, and so on, Tn. The numbers are in some series like this. If T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 equals to T4 minus T3 equals to, and so on, Tn minus 1, it is a constant always. Now, then this series is said to be, this is said to be arithmetic progression. That's very important. Series said to be arithmetic progression. So, arithmetic progression means this constant is known as common difference. So this is the useful, right? So with general form of arithmetic progression, what is the general form of AP? So that is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. A is called the first term, A plus D is called the second term. So D is the common difference. This one is called nth term. So T1 equals to A, right? First term. Common difference, that is here, common difference D. Common difference D. Nth term equals to, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In this series, so T1 plus T2 plus T3 and so on, Tn, that equals to A, first term, A plus D, and so on, A plus 2D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. So up to the n terms, this can be taken as n by 2 plus 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This one taken as n by 2 A plus n minus 1 into D. This can be taken as n by 2 plus A plus L. N by 2 into first term plus last term. First term plus nth term. This is the formula. N by 2 into first term plus nth term or last term. So this is the arithmetic progression. So this is very important series. Everywhere in mathematics, this is a very important arithmetic progression. So T1, T2, T3 and so on, Tn are numbers are in some series. So T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, so T4 minus T3, Tn minus 1, a constant. Then this is said to be arithmetic progression. This constant is known as common difference. General form of arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is A plus n minus 1 into D. T1, A first term, common difference D. So nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. T1 plus T2 and so on, T3 and so on, Tn. That is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus n minus 1 into D. This can be taken as n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N by 2 of A plus n minus 1 into D. N by 2 of A plus L. First term plus nth term, or first term plus last term. So this is the very important formula we can solve for simple problems. Alright. Along with this one, we can discuss about some formulas are like this. So first formula we are discussing about like this. So first one is Suppose given like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n. Sum to n natural numbers. This is n by 2 into n plus 1. First term plus last term. This is first formula. Now 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. N square. This is the formula. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is the sum of the squares of n natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on n square. n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Third one is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on. N cube. Sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Fourth formula like this. Suppose first 1, 3, 5 and so on. So this is 2n minus 1 equals to how much? This is n square. This is the formula. Means n is 1. This is 1 is the first natural, first odd number. So n is 2, second odd number, second odd natural number. N equal to 3, third odd natural number. This is so nth odd natural number is natural number that is so 2n minus 1. N is 1, 1 is the first odd number. So n is 2, second odd number. N is 3, third odd number. N that is, this is nth odd natural number. This is nth odd natural number. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is the n odd natural number. So what is the common difference? Generally 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. 2n minus 1. This is n terms, n by 2. First term plus last term, a plus l, n by 2. 1 plus 2n minus 1. This is 1 cancel. So that is n into 2n by 2. That is n square. This is the simple formula. So this is very important. Sum of n odd natural numbers. Sum of n odd natural numbers is nothing but n square. So fifth formula, we are discussing about that. Suppose 2, 4, 6 and so on to n. So n is 1, 2 is the first even natural number, n is 2, 4 is the second even natural number. So this can be taken as n take outside. So that is 1, 2. So right, this is 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So this is taken as n into, this formula already we know that, n into n plus 1 by 2. So we taken as 2 outside only. This is 2 take outside. This 2 cancel. So that is n square plus n. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So 2n. So the formula is n square plus n. So again we are discussing about here. So 5 formulas here. First formula, sum of n natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on, and n by 2 into n plus 1. Sum of the squares of n natural numbers, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, and n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Third formula, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on n cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this is the sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. 1, 3, 5 and so on to n minus 1. 2n minus 1 is the nth odd natural number. So 1 is the first odd natural number, 3 is the second odd natural number and so on, nth odd natural number. This sum must be n squared. So this is the proof. Suppose 2, 4, 6 and so on to n. This can be taken as 2 take outside, 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So 2 into that is again n and n plus 1 by 2, n square plus n. So these 5 formulas are very important for role in solving the problems. Let me explain very few problems about this. For example, so very logical questions we are discussing about this. So first question like this. So we are discussing, first question is like this. First question is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on 50. Sum of 50 natural numbers. It is nothing but sum of 50 natural numbers. It is nothing but formula 50. That is formula n equals to 50. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. That is 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. This is 25 times cancel. So 25 into 51. So this is 51. We can multiply by 25. So 21 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. So 1275. 1275. This is the answer. Right? So sum to 50 natural numbers is nothing but the formula. And in 10 plus 1 by 2. 25, that is 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2, 25 times. 25 into 51, that is nothing but 1275. This is the first question. Suppose the question is asking like this. Suppose 1 square, 2 square, 1 square, 2 square, and so on. It's given as 30 square. 30 square is given to you. So sum of the squares of 30 natural numbers. This can be taken as the formula. So formula n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. N must be 30. If you take this 30 into 30 plus 1, 30 into 2 plus 1 by 6. So after simplification, we will get this value as so write 9455. 9455. 9455. This one is simplification. So this is about the second question. Right? What is the second question? 1 square plus 2 square and so on, 30 square. And in 10 plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. N is replaced by 30. 30 into 30 plus 1, this is 61. If you simplification, 30, 31 into 61 by 6, the cancellation, we will get it as 9455. So this is about the second question. Generally, sometimes question asking like this. So 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube and so on 11 cube. This question asking in previous JEE Mains question. This question is asking like this. So first question option is 2556, 2776. So that is 3556. Now 3886. This is the question given. So in this one, 1 cube, 3 cube, sum of odd number, first odd number whole cube, second odd number whole cube, third odd number up to 11 cube. So first we can see like this, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on, 10 cube plus 11 cube. So some terms are missing, I am adding the terms. So which terms are adding? 2 cube is there, minus of 2 cube, that is subtracting. So 4 cube, that is subtracting. 6 cube, subtracting. Next, 8 cube, subtracting. 10 cube. Totally from 11 terms here, so these 5 terms are subtracting. This one I know the formula. And in 10 plus 1 whole square, 11 square, 11 plus 1 whole square by 4. So what is the formula we are using? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on, n cube formula, n square, n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this is the formula we are using. So this one is n 11 square. This one is from every term, 2 cube take outside, 2 cube take outside. So here is 1 cube plus 2 cube. Now here is 3 cube and so on. Here is 5 cube. So this one is 11 square into 12 square by 4 minus 8 into, again this formula, 5 square into 5 plus 1 whole square by 4. On simplification, if you remember that, first term is getting as 4356. This term is 4356 minus, on simplification, this term is 1800. That is 4356 minus 1800, 65, that is 5. So that is 2566. That is 2556. 2556 first is the correct answer. Generally, for this type of question, 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube and so on, 11 cube is given. First remember the formula, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on, n cube is nothing but n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Apply the formula first that, remembering the formulas. Sum of the cubes of n natural numbers. So, sum of cubes of n natural numbers, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now this one taken as 11 square. This is up to 11 terms. 11 square, 11 plus 1 whole square by 4. Every term 2 cube is there. So 2 cube take out. So here 1 cube, here 2 cube, 3 cube, up to 5 cube. This is again 5 square into 5 plus 1 whole square by 4. On simplification, this is 4356. This is 1800. So total, the subtracting, we are getting as 2556. This is the way of solving the question.